Hello everyone and welcome. In every one of my videos, when it's time to publish an app to the App Store, I do the same one-time setup. So Claude Code can upload the build all by itself. Basically, you just tell Claude Code, publish my app, and it ships it to the App Store for you. To do that, Claude Code needs 4 things from you. First, your issuer ID. Second, your key ID, then a private key file that ends in .p8, and your team ID. We will grab all 4 in a couple of minutes here. So let's continue. And the best part, you set this up once and then reuse it for every app. Do it now and every feature upload just works. One thing here, and one thing that I'm not covering here, you need a paid Apple developer account. That's $99 a year. I already have mine, so I don't go to cover it here. So if you don't have it yet, go to developer.apple.com, enroll, pay the $99, and then come back to this point. All right, it's one time, just a couple of minutes, so let's go for it. First, the quick one, we need to open developer Apple account, go to account, and then membership details. What you can see here is team ID. This is the first key that the first value that we need. Just keep it here for now. Then for the rest, for the other keys, we need to go to App Store Connect website. Go to Users and Access. Then go to Integration tabs. Integrations tab. Now here, just click on this plus button or Generate API key. For our API key, we need to give it a name. So I call it Claude Code, because you are using it in Claude Code. And for the access, you need to pick admin. If you pick admin, it can do everything for you. Register bundle IDs, create apps, and upload builds. So let's go for this one. For sure, in future, if you want to be strict later, the app manager is enough just for uploads. So let's just hit generate. So look what we have here now. We have issuer ID is the value number 2 that we need. The key ID for the key that we made, the value number 3. And the most important one is this download button, which if we click on it, we get that file that ends with .p8. But as you can see here, Apple only lets you download this once. So if you lose it, you have to revoke and start over. So let's just put it somewhere safe right now. I'll just put it in download, save, and that's the file we have. Now let's just make the folder that Apple's command line uploader tool will auto search for the key that we just downloaded. For this one, just open your terminal. I'm in home directory. There are few directories that Apple tools will auto search for it. One of them is just a directory called private key in your repo or in home directory, and another one is that App Store Connect /private key directory. So we go for this one. Let's just create a directory that App Store Connect /private keys. So this is the directory. Now we have to move the key that we downloaded from downloads directory into this one. So just move in downloads directory the key into this directory. So we have the key here. One thing more here, we need to change the access to the file to 600, which only me, this user, which is already logged in and made this file, can read the file. Done. And now let's just check it. Our directory. Yep. This is the file that we have already. Last step is saving the 3 IDs as environment variable. So Claude Code and any build tool can just pick them up and use them. For this one, let's just open our zshrc profile. So let's just open it. zshrc. Open. I go to the end. Press I to enable editing. Now let's just add the environment variable keys here for our IDs. For this one, we have to just type export. I call it App Store Connect. So the first one was issuer ID, which we will add the key later. Export App Store Connect key ID. Export App Store Connect API key path. We don't need this one. As I said, it will be auto searched by the uploader tool, but we just add it. And the last one, export Apple team ID. So let's just paste them. We have the issuer ID here. Here, click on copy, paste. We have key ID here, copy, paste. We have the API key path, which is home, that App Store Connect directory, private keys slash the file. Let's just go there. cd.appstore private keys ls. This is the name of the file. Put it here. Is it correct? The App Store Connect private keys. App Store Connect private keys. Yeah. And the team ID. This was the team ID here. Just copy, go to terminal and paste. And done. So click on escape, WQ, and save the changes. Now we have to reload the profile. Source. Now let's just a quick check that they are loaded. Echo issue is App Store Connect issuer ID. Just test. Yep, let's see if it's working. And that's it. The setup is done forever. Now in any project, I can just say to Claude Code, my App Store Connect API credentials are in my environment. Create the app in App Store Connect, build a release IPA, and upload it to the test flight. See you in the next video.